Hi, my name is Fernanda and I'm going to talk about the nursing work. In nursing, there are various specialties. For example, cardiology, emergencies, family nursing, geriatrics, neonatology, nephrology, oncology, pediatrics, primary care, school health, and women's health. And nursing roles vary depending on the area in which they work. Now that you know this, I'm going to talk you about some general nursing functions. The first is to take the patient medical history and perform a physical examination. Here we assess the patient from the head to the toe, as well as his family history, and we take note of his daily habits that could help us to have a diagnosis. Therefore, this step leads us to the next. Diagnose diseases. Although many didn't know it, nursing also makes this diagnosis, although not in the same way as doctors. The third is treat and manage diseases. This can involve all kinds of general nursing care. The next, we have administer drugs and give injections. They can be administered orally, intravenously, intramuscularly, subcutaneously, among other ways. Then we have offer brochures on diseases prevention and healthy lifestyles. This section belongs to the preventive area, and that is where vaccines and everything about diseases prevention are usually applied. Next is carrier certain procedures such as a bone marrow biopsy or lumbar puncture. And this is usually done only by specialist nurses in the area. Now we have educate patients about home health care. And this is very important because if we don't do it, the patient will come back in the same situation or even worse. The next is treat wounds and change bandages. The next is take samples for laboratory analysis, and this helps us to have a diagnosis and follow up on the treatment. The next is assist in surgeries, and this is only done by the surgical nurses, and they are in charge of preparing the material for the surgeries. Finally, in summary, nursing helps and accompanies the patient during his recovery. And that's all. Thank you for the attention.